Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, power door locks, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.